Hello everyone! Today is December 27th. It's the Feast of St. John. So this is the third day of Christmas. And it was the Feast of St. John, who was said to have miraculously drunk a glass of poisoned wine without becoming ill.
Oh, and look at this lovely picture on day 3. 3 French hens. One version says fat hens. This one looks fat.
This is a pretty tubby hen. So here's some information about wassailing or wassailing. Wassailing was an important Tudor Christmas tradition, and both rich and poor people took part. A large wooden bowl was filled with hot ale or cider, sugar, spices, and apples, with a crust of bread at the bottom. It was offered to the most important person in the household first, who would make a toast by shouting, "Wassail!" meaning for your health, and then have a drink and pass it on. The next person would then shout, "Drink ale!" before having a sip, and the bowl would be passed around everyone. Not a good idea in COVID times. So Lisa's busy opening our treats. So what did we get from Bonne Maman?
Mirabelle plum spice spread.
Mirabelle, how fun.
Looks very nice.
It does. Looking forward to that. And from Bath and Body Works, we got vanilla bean Noel. Shower gel. I did finally manage to get yesterday's light out. Oh, a mouse for the kitties. Oh, how sweet. Tommy will like that one. I don't know where he is. And day 3 of Stitchmas. Does it smell?
Oh, I don't know what it has parts on it.
Oh!
It doesn't smell.
Oh, it's a bag.
You could put all your stuff in it that you're collecting.
Yeah. All your things that you're making.
Oh,
Well, it's got foxes all over it. It's you.
it is. And it has little pockets. I don't know if you can see that. It has little pockets all the way around on both sides.
Handy.
So cool.
Yeah,
and
it's
it
nicely
does.
lined and with drawstrings
So
as
little.
well as handles. Oh, wow.
This is the coolest bag ever.
Yeah. How fun. Well, thank you so much for joining us today. We'd like to wish you a Merry Christmas this third day of Christmas. Give us a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe below, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.